Hey friends, this week I'm sharing an easy recipe for baked pork buns. These soft buns are filled with a sweet and savory pork. The buns are wonderful to have around to enjoy as a snack or small meal. Enjoy the recipe. For the filling, have Chinese barbecue seasoning, soy sauce, pork butt, minced garlic, minced shallots, cornstarch, water, ground black pepper, and sesame oil. For the dough, have hot water, active dry yeast, sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, unsalted butter, whole milk, and egg and vegetable oil. For the egg wash, have melted butter and an egg yolk. In a medium bowl, combine the barbecue seasoning mix and soy sauce. Stir until the sugar is mostly dissolved. This is a really simple meat marinade, and you can substitute with any marinade of your choice. For the pork butt, simply cut into small pieces. Add the pork and then combine with the marinade. Let marinate for 15 minutes. In a measuring cup, combine the cornstarch and water, stirring until smooth. Heat a medium wok over medium-high heat. When hot, add vegetable oil, the minced shallots, and minced garlic. Stir fry for 15 seconds. Add the marinated pork and stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the cornstarch and water mixture and combine together. Reduce the heat and continue cooking until the sauce thickens, about 3 minutes. Turn off the heat, add the sesame oil, ground black pepper, and combine together. Transfer the filling into a medium bowl and allow to cool for at least 15 minutes. Add vegetable oil into a large bowl. Brush the oil coating the inside of the bowl completely. In a small bowl, add the active dry yeast to the hot tap water. Add the sugar and then combine together. Let rest for 10 minutes or until the mixture becomes foamy. In a mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour, sugar, and salt. Use the dough hook to mix on low speed for 15 seconds. To the dry ingredients, add the yeast, the milk, lightly beat an egg and then also add the butter. Start mixing on low speed. During the first minute of mixing, scrape around the bowl using a spatula and push the dry ingredients into the center. After about 2 minutes, the dough should start to form. Continue mixing for a total of 8 minutes. This dough is really soft and a bit sticky, so it's common for it to stick to the bottom of the bowl. Shape the dough into a rough ball and place into the oiled bowl. Coat the dough with a little bit more vegetable oil, and then cover with plastic wrap. Place into the oven and let the dough rest until it doubles in size, approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. Lightly flour the work surface. Transfer the dough and sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. Now knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Shape the dough into a log approximately 12 inches long. Using a pizza wheel or sharp knife, cut the dough into 12 equal pieces. Shape each of the pieces into a rough ball. Cover the dough to keep it from drying. Take a dough ball and flatten it slightly with your fingers. Using a rolling pin, flatten the dough, making about a 3-inch circle. Transfer 1.5 tablespoons meat filling onto the center of the dough. Gather up the dough, enclosing the filling ball. At the top, pinch the dough together and then twist. Place the twisted end facing down on the work surface. To smooth and shape the bun, cup your hand around the dough ball and rotate it in a circular motion. Pat and rotate between your palms to round it out. Transfer the bun to a baking sheet. This dough is really soft and pliable. It can be a bit sticky, but try not to add too much flour, as this will dry out the buns. When rolling the dough, make the edges just a little bit thinner than the center. Later, when enclosing the filling, there won't be so much dough at the top. Continue with the same steps making the remaining buns. Cover with a damp towel and let rest for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the egg wash, in a small bowl, combine the melted butter and egg yolk. Coat the buns evenly with the egg wash. Here's a little trick. Place a tray of hot water into the oven, and this helps to keep bread moist and soft during baking. Place the buns in the oven and bake for 20 minutes or until golden. Rotate the pan halfway through for even baking. Once done, remove from the oven. Transfer the buns to a wire cooling rack and let cool for a few minutes before enjoying. The buns are pillowy soft and the filling sweet and savory. It's a wonderful combination. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.